अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आम, बे से बंदर, पे से पतंग, ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जहाज, चे से चूजा, हे से हलवाई, खे से खरगोश, दाल से दरख्त, डाल से ढोल, जाल से जखीरा, रे से रेलगाड़ी, रे से पहाड़, जे से ज़ेब्रा, जे से ज़ालाबारी, सीन से सेब, शीन से शेर, स्वाद से संदूक, ज़्वाद से ज़ईब, तोए से तोता, ज़ोए से ज़रूफ, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फुटबॉल, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से केला, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लड़की, मीम से माल्टा, नून से नारियल, वाव से वैगन, हे से हाथी, हमजा से नाई, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। वेजिटेबल्स नेम, सब्जियों के नाम। टोमेटो, टोमेटो मीन्स टमाटर। ओकरा, ओकरा मीन्स भिंडी। कैप्सिकम, कैप्सिकम मीन्स शिमला मिर्च। बीटरूट, बीटरूट मीन्स चकंदर। कैबेज, कैबेज मीन्स गोभी। पोटैटो, पोटैटो मीन्स आलू। पी means butter. Brinjal, brinjal means बैंगन. Red chili means लाल मिर्च. Green chili means हरी मिर्च. Garlic means लहसुन. Onion means प्याज. Ginger means अदरक. Zucchini means तोरी. Pumpkin means कद्दू. Radish means मूली. Turnip means शलजम. Sweet potato means शकरकंदी. Bitter gourd means करेला. Lettuce means salad. Coriander means धनिया. Mint means पुदीना. Cucumber means खीरा. Carrot means गाजर. Broccoli गोभी की एक किस्म. Spinach कहते हैं पालक को. Mushroom. Mushroom means khambi. French beans. French beans means phaliyan. Corn. Corn means makai. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means bandgobi. Let's start to learn fruits name. Apple. Apple means seb. Mango. Mango means aam. Banana. Banana means kela. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Grapes. Grapes mean angur. Apricot. Apricot mean khobani. Strawberry. Strawberry means tute farangi. Cherry. Cherry means shadana. Kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit means dragon fruit. Pomegranate. Pomegranate means anar. Grapes. Grapes mean angur. Watermelon. Watermelon means tarbuza. Orange. Orange means malta. Melon. Melon means kharbuza. Papaya. Papaya means papita. Lemon. Lemon means limu. Pears. Pears means nashpati. Lychee. Lychee means lychee. Guava. Guava means amrood. Lime. Lime means limu. Blackberry. Blackberry means blackberry. Coconut. Coconut means nariyal. Custard apple. Custard apple means custard apple. Plum. Plum means aloo bukhara. Olives. Olives means zaitun. Fig. Fig means injeer. Grapefruit. Grapefruit means chakotra. Raspberries. Raspberries means rasbhari. A is for apple. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for ant. Apple. Ant. B is for bear. B is for bear. B is for banana. B is for banana. Bear. Banana. C is for cow. C is for cow. C is for crocodile. C is for crocodile. Cow. Crocodile. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for duck. Dog. Duck. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for egg. Elephant. Egg. F is for fox. F is for fox. F is for fan. F is for fan. Fox. Fan. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. Giraffe. Gorilla. H is for hippo. H is for hippo. H is for hen. H is for hen. Hippo. Hen. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. I is for insect. I is for insect. Ice cream. Insect. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. J is for juice. J is for juice. Jellyfish. Juice. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. K is for kite. Kangaroo. kite. L is for lion, L is for lion. L is for lizard, L is for lizard. La lion, la lizard. M is for monkey, M is for monkey. M is for mouse, M is for mouse. Monkey, mouse. N is for nest, N is for nest. N is for nose, N is for nose. Nest, nose. O is for all, O is for all. O is for orange, O is for orange. All, orange. P is for penguin, P is for penguin. P is for parrot, P is for parrot. Penguin, parrot. Q is for coel, Q is for coel. Q is for Quran, Q is for Quran. Coel, Quran. R is for rabbit, R is for rabbit. R is for rhinoceros, R is for rhinoceros. Rabbit, rhinoceros. S is for sheep, S is for sheep. S is for strawberry, S is for strawberry. Sheep, strawberry. T is for turtle, T is for turtle. T is for tomato, T is for tomato. Turtle, tomato. U is for unicorn, U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella, U is for umbrella. Unicorn, umbrella. V is for vampire, V is for vampire. V is for van, V is for van. Vampire, van. W is for whale, W for whale. W for watch, W for watch. Whale, watch. X is for xylophone, X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray, X is for X-ray. Xylophone, X-ray. Y is for yolk, Y is for yolk. Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yo-yo. Yolk, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra. Z is for zip, Z is for zip. Zebra, zip.